In this video, I'll show you how quickly we can turn this normal master padlock into a padlock that has controlled access to it. And hopefully in under a minute, we'll be able to know who was accessing this padlock and when by adding our lock cylinder here. It's a very quick process. I'm going to time myself. Hopefully we can do it under a minute. So I'll first just show opening the lock. Everything's normal there. And then I'll use our control key here. Just take it out pretty effortlessly. And then I'll put it in our lock cylinder here using this control key. It all goes in about the same way. And then we'll use our key. And using our key, you'll know who is accessing this lock and when, all in just under 30 seconds.